Welcome back to Zane Facts Channel. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing world of one of nature's most agile and fascinating creatures, the hummingbird. Ever wondered how these tiny avian marvels manage to hover in mid-air with such grace and precision? Buckle up as we explore the science behind how hummingbirds hover, complete with fun examples and mind-blowing facts. The magic of hovering. An introduction. Imagine a tiny drone that can zip through your garden, stopping on a dime to sip nectar from flowers. That's essentially what a hummingbird is, a marvel of natural engineering. These feathered acrobats can hover in place, fly backwards, and even upside down. So how do they do it? The wing mechanics, nature's engineering at work. Hummingbirds can beat their wings up to 80 times per second, creating the lift needed to stay airborne. Unlike most birds that rely solely on the downstroke for lift, hummingbirds use a unique figure-8 motion. This allows them to generate lift on both the downstroke and upstroke, making them incredibly efficient hoverers. Fun fact 1. About 25% of a hummingbird's lift comes from the upstroke, a feat rarely seen in the bird world. Fun fact 2. These birds can flap their wings so rapidly that they produce a humming sound, which is how they got their name. The role of metabolism, fueling the flight. Hovering requires a tremendous amount of energy. Hummingbirds have the highest metabolism of any bird species, with heart rates soaring to over 1,200 beats per minute during flight. They need to consume large amounts of nectar, which is rich in sugars, to sustain this high energy demand. Fun fact, hummingbirds can convert nearly 100% of the sugar they consume into energy, while humans can only manage about 30%. Fun fact, during periods of inactivity like at night, hummingbirds enter a state called torpor, drastically slowing their metabolism to conserve energy. Wing structure and flexibility, perfect adaptations. The shape and flexibility of their wings play a crucial role in their hovering ability. Hummingbird wings are more rigid compared to those of other birds, allowing them to pivot at the shoulder and twist at the wrist. This adaptability helps them maneuver in all directions with incredible precision. Fun fact, hummingbirds can rotate their wings in a full circle, allowing for backward flight and agile mid-air adjustments. Fun fact, despite their small size, some hummingbirds migrate over 2,000 miles, utilizing their hovering skills to feed on nectar along the way. Feeding strategies. Hovering for survival. Hovering allows hummingbirds to access nectar from flowers that are unreachable to other animals. Their long, specialized beaks and tongues are perfectly adapted for this task. Some species even employ a strategy called trap lining, where they visit a series of flowers in a specific order to maximize nectar intake. Fun fact, a hummingbird's tongue can extend far beyond its beak, using a rapid pump action to lap up nectar. Fun fact, they also eat insects and spiders for protein, catching them mid-air in a behavior known as hawking. Evolutionary advantages, the hovering edge. Hummingbirds' ability to hover gives them a significant advantage in the wild. It allows them to feed efficiently, evade predators, and even defend their territory from other birds and insects. This unique skill has helped them carve out a niche where few competitors can follow. Fun fact 9. Hummingbirds are known to be territorial and will fiercely defend their feeding grounds from other birds and insects. Fun fact 10. They can hover for up to 50 minutes a day, spending the rest of their time perched to conserve energy. The role of color and vision attracting attention. Hummingbirds are not only fascinating due to their flight mechanics, but also because of their vibrant colors. These birds are equipped with iridescent feathers that can appear to change color depending on the light. This dazzling display is not just for show, it plays a crucial role in attracting mates and deterring rivals. Fun fact 11. A hummingbird's color can appear different from various angles due to the microscopic platelets in their feathers that reflect and refract light. Fun fact 12. These birds can see ultraviolet light, which helps them locate nectar-rich flowers more efficiently. Energy conservation, the art of torpor. Despite their high-energy lifestyle, hummingbirds have developed strategies to conserve energy. During cold nights or periods of food scarcity, they enter a state of torpor. This temporary hibernation-like state significantly reduces their metabolic rate and conserves energy. Fun fact 13. During torpor, a hummingbird's heart rate can drop from 1,200 beats per minute to as low as 50. Fun fact 14. Hummingbirds can lose up to 10% of their body weight overnight, making their first meal of the day crucial for survival. Cognitive abilities, small brains, big smarts. Hummingbirds have impressively large brains relative to their body size. This advanced cognitive ability allows them to remember the location of flowers, the amount of nectar each one produces, and even the timing of nectar replenishment. Fun fact 15. Hummingbirds can remember migration routes and feeding spots across thousands of miles. Fun fact 16. Studies have shown that they can recognize and remember humans who refill their feeders, displaying a surprising level of intelligence. Ecological impact: pollinators of the tropics. Hummingbirds play a vital role in the ecosystems they inhabit. As they feed on nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, aiding in plant reproduction. This mutualistic relationship benefits both the birds and the plants. Fun fact 17. Some plants have evolved specifically to be pollinated by hummingbirds, with flower shapes that perfectly match their beaks. Fun fact 18. Hummingbirds can visit up to 2,000 flowers in a single day, making them highly effective pollinators. Conclusion: nature's little wonders. The hummingbird's ability to hover is a testament to the wonders of evolution and adaptation. From their rapid wing movements to their high-energy metabolism, every aspect of these tiny birds is finely tuned for their aerial lifestyle. Next time you spot a hummingbird, take a moment to appreciate the incredible natural engineering that keeps it aloft. Call to action. If you enjoyed learning about the amazing hovering capabilities of hummingbirds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating facts from the natural world. Join us next time on Zane Facts Channel for another exciting dive into the wonders of science and nature. Stay curious and keep exploring.